Today we're going to take a quick walk through a 2025 MJM4, which is sitting inside of our Clearwater showroom and available for immediate delivery. First thing you're going to notice is this boat is powered by twin Mercury outboards. This one is the 600 horsepower. Right across the transom here, one of the neat features that I'm a big fan of is the amount of space you have to be able to get port to starboard, depending on how much stuff you're carrying on board with you. As we enter the cockpit here, first thing you're going to notice along the starboard side is a nice entry door here if you have any stationary docks. Right above us, we have a very large bimini top, which is fully closed right now, but we can open it up and attach it to the hardtop and have complete sun coverage here. Along the port side of the boat is going to be a very large L-shaped seating, spot for a table, of course. Great refrigeration. We have a nice cooktop grill, and then we have great storage underneath here and nice access to be able to get into the bilge, which many boats don't have this amount of storage sitting in the bilge, but aboard the MJM4, this will fully open up, storage all along the port and midship, and also full access to be able to walk down to gain access around. As we enter the forward cockpit here in the helm station, what we're going to notice right along the port side is a nice upper galley, twin refrigerators, microwave induction cooktop, a nice high-low television, sink, and a ton of storage. Great window port and starboard to be able to get to the midship cleats, and then a nice L-shaped seating here along the starboard side with a high-gloss teak table. At the helm station, what you're going to notice first and foremost is three massive windows on the forward, which fully open up or fully enclose, depending on the weather we're running. We're going to also have a Garmin electronics system on board, full electronics for your motor, your joystick docking, and your VHF radio. As we walk up to the bow, what we're going to notice is a really nice U-shaped seating all the way around. We can move these cup holders around depending on where we're sitting, and a nice spot for your table on board. And finally, as we walk into the cabin, what we're going to notice is really, really rich wood everywhere. Nice high gloss flooring, great teak look along the doors and also the side windows. A nice forward V-berth, which does convert into a dinette, and a little sofa. Television on your starboard side, and a secondary sleeping compartment in the aft. Also have a very nice head here along the starboard side.